Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some FSD from the park position, and we're going to see how it responds to some challenges today. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Really appreciate the views. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe for FSD videos and all things Tesla. So at this point, we started this video with FSD fully in control, and I want to see if it can take me to my destination, which is 5 minutes or 6 minutes away, without any takeovers.
Turn left onto North George Mason Drive.
So, challenge accepted, it said. We're gonna see if it can take us where we need to go.
Now turn left onto North George Mason Drive.
So we got a left turn coming up here. We're on a green, so it yielded. Did quite well on that turn. Nice job there. Alright, so stayed within the lanes pretty well. I like the way it did that. Automatically adjust the speed limit. I have it set to always go 1 mile over, so I can always adjust that. Nice stop for the car making the